Ever felt like deciphering web traffic metrics is as challenging as cracking a secret code? Well, you're not alone. But what if there was a way to simplify that process? Meet Publytics, a user-friendly alternative to Google Analytics that makes understanding your website traffic as easy as pie. Firstly, Publytics allows you to import Google Analytics data with ease. Manage multiple domains from a single user-friendly dashboard, leaving behind the complexity of juggling multiple interfaces, but that's not all. Publytics brings you real-time visitor data in a layout that's easy to understand, all while adhering to privacy laws like GDPR, CCPA, and PKR. So you can stay up to date with your site's activity without compromising your visitors' privacy. Speaking of layouts, Publytics' intuitive design lets you find all the necessary data with just a few clicks. No more sifting through endless tabs and confusing charts. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. Want to know where your traffic is coming from? Publytics referral data has you covered. And with the Audience tab, you can understand visitor demographics, including language, country, browser, and operating system. With Publytics, user privacy is a top priority. The platform operates without cookies and complies with major privacy laws, ensuring your visitors' privacy is always protected. Customizable reports are another key feature of Publytics. Tailor every report with custom dimensions and advanced filters that matter most to your business, providing you with precise data on site activity. Designed with publishers and blog owners in mind, Publytics makes it easy to filter and monitor traffic based on unique criteria such as author, section, or specific web events. Already using Google Analytics and worried about losing your historical data? Don't fret. Publytics allows you to import legacy data from both Google Analytics 3 and 4, so you won't have to start from scratch. And last but not least, with Publytics, you can export site data for in-depth analysis and storage as needed. Lifetime access to Publytics includes all future page view month plan updates, with a 60-day money-back guarantee for a risk-free trial. So why wait? Unlock the potential of accurate, real-time web traffic insights with Publytics. Secure your lifetime access today and make web traffic analytics a breeze.